going to explain the entire procedure, how we are preparing a soap base. So this is water bath and these are the beakers which we have utilized in this process. Now at first we have to take a beaker and into that we have to add coconut oil. Now we have to heat it in order to melt it, in order to make it a solution. After that, in another beaker we have to take around 15 gram of NaOH and along with that 50 ml of water needs to be added. So we have to separate that beaker, and in the third beaker we have to take sugar which is around 10 to 15 gram. Now the three separate beakers we have to take it, and then ultimately we have to put it into the water bath. After putting that, so our motto is to make sugar solution, liquid oil, coconut oil, and another solution will be of NaOH and water. So after continuous stirring, we will see that both the NaOH and water will be completely miscible, and after that we have to add that solution into the coconut oil which we have melted. So while we are adding the solution, we have to see, or we have to ensure that the entire solution is continuously stirred during the procedure, and after that we have to keep on stirring continuously. After a certain period of time, the another beaker which contains sucrose solution or the sugar solution, we have to take it, and then again we have to pour that solution into the mixture, and we have to continuously stir it during the process. Now we are adding glycerin. The total amount of glycerin taken is 25 ml. And here also, while adding the glycerin, we have to make it sure that the solution is continuously stirred. And after the completion of pouring of glycerin, we have to ensure that the entire solution is being stirred continuously. So after around like 30 minutes or half an hour, we will see that this mixture will be thickened enough, and with continuous stirring it will become a solid substances. We have to take it out of the beaker, place in the petri dish, and we have to solidify it at room temperature or in special instances in a freezer. Two separate motor vessels are taken. In this motor vessel there is neem, that is Azadirachta indica, along with some distilled water, and in this motor vessel there are some rose petals and again some distilled water. So now we are churning it into a fine paste, both this neem as well as the rose petals. Neem extract added to the soap base.
This is the turmeric extract. So we will add the turmeric extract into the soap base. So we are previously prepared the soap base. Last one. So after turmeric extract, we will again add the aloe vera extract. So this is the aloe vera extract.
So here is the soap base, and now we are going to add this extract. Now this extract is of rose petals. So slowly we are going to add this, and while adding it we have to continuously stir it. This is the rose petal which is going into this beaker which contains the soap base. So this process is done, and here we have taken the aloe vera extract. So we are going to add the aloe vera extract, and while adding, again we have to stir it continuously. This is very important that while we are doing this entire procedure, we have to make sure that this is continuously started. And now we are pouring the remaining rose petal extract. In this way, we will adjust the consistency as well as the color.
So finally, soap has been prepared. As you can see, this is the turmeric extract herbal soap, and this is the rose extract herbal soap, and the last one is neem, Azadirachta indica leaf extract based herbal soap.